Hi, YouTube. Today I'm with my mum,
Hello.
and she's going to be asking some questions. And yeah, let's get started. So, first let's log in. Because I think I have some gifts. And then my mum's going to create her own account, aren't you? All right.
I am, yes, apparently so. Going to find out what all the fuss is about with this movie star planet.
So we're logging in. Let's check if we have any gifts.
So how long have you been playing this, Ruby?
I've been playing it a really long Actually, I've been playing it for about a year or so.
As long as that?
Yeah, I think it's that.
Mm.
Well, I'm all your friends. So yeah, we're going to check if I have any gifts. Loading. Okay, so we have some gifts that start from the black one. This is going to be black. Square that.
So these are other players who've given you presents?
Yes, I've actually always wanted those. Don't know why she said that.
Don't know. Why would they report you?
If you did something bad. She just randomly texted me that.
So do you now say thank you to these people for the gifts that they've given you?
Yeah, I'm going to say shout out to her because this is the girl.
Oh.
So shout out to her. Yeah, why don't we start recording now? I'm going to quickly text her, say thank you for the gifts. So, let's start your account, yeah?
Okay, let's do it. Crack on.
Okay, so
you're going to make me look fabulous.
You're going to make yourself look
I'm
fabulous.
Make myself look fabulous. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Any hints or tips on making a fabulous character?
Well, you want to make it last longer, so then you want to make it actually like pretty, obviously. So, loading. You can pick a girl or a boy.
I'm going to be a girl, please.
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay.
So you can change your face. I suggest you use that nose.
That is a fine nose. That's a bit like your nose.
Okay, let's change the mouth colour.
I'll have that mouth, please.
This one?
Yep.
Do you want to change the colour?
No, that one colour's fine.
Okay. Do you want to change the eyes?
Blue eyes, I think. Oh, they're nice eyes. Go for those. Oh, no. No, blue ones.
Yeah,
definitely. Much better.
Okay. So, now, do you want to fix some hair?
Go on.
You can change your colours if you like.
Uh-huh.
You like that colour?
Go for the short and pink.
Short. This one?
Yeah.
You like...
No, it's hideous. Long, long and red.
Right. That's what most people have.
Oh, is it? Oh, I don't want to be like everybody. What would you suggest?
I suggest you use something which most people don't have.
Okay.
Most people don't have...
Oh. Ruby's brother is here as well, Dylan, and he's offering us some fashion advice and suggesting we go for
this one.
The silver.
Oh my goodness. It won't work. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
What did you just do? Okay.
On, that's cool. Let's go for that.
Do you want to change your top?
I quite like the spots.
Spotty, waddy, do you like that? As a jumper.
That's all right. No, not really.
She has those really skinny jeans.
The smallest trousers in the entire world.
Do you like that?
No, that's hideous.
Do you like You can change this to black if you like.
The thumbnail, very overprotective mum. Smallest shorts in the world.
Smallest shorts in the world.
You can change it to black.
Okay, black is fine. Let's go for that.
Do you like some...
Put some clothes on, Christ.
Do you like them?
Those are some skinny jeans.
They are skinny jeans. We know how Dylan feels about skinny jeans.
Dylan's?
Oh, go on. Why not? Spotty ones.
Yeah. All right.
No.
What shoes?
Don't know. Let's see what they all look like.
So there's these ones, which I
They're terrible.
honestly, yeah, I hate them. There's these ones, which you can change colours.
Okay. They're hideous.
There's these ones, and I hate them.
Yeah.
These ones, which are like spin.
They'll do.
These ones, they are these flats.
Okay, flats then. I don't mind.
I'll turn it into black for you.
Okay.
There you go. So, I think that's your character.
Ooh, check
What
me out.
would you like to name her, Mummy?
I'd like to name her.
Mummy.
Any suggestions, Dylan?
Mummy.
Mummy.
How about
Mama Mason 67.
You're gonna be bullied.
Mama Mason 67?
There you go.
That's just cringe.
Okay. What would you
What would you suggest
whisper
then?
the password in my
Not
ear?
Mama Mason.
Okay,
67.
Mummy, whisper the password in my ear. Okay.
The password is that she's a dog.
Pardon?
The password is that you're a dog.
Who's a dog?
You're a dog.
That's respectful. Okie dokie, let's crack on. Oh look, I'm waving.
Wait. Oh, right. Create my account.
So now what can I do?
Now you can do it. Well, first of all, there's going to be this pink hair girl, which nobody likes.
Oh, okay.
And she's made by a special character. She's made by the computer.
Oh, okay.
She's not a real person. You look tiny.
Hi, Mama Mason. Welcome to Movie Star Planet. Oh, hello.
Wow, you sure look awesome for the
Gee,
show.
why, thank you very much.
Okay.
Oh, I say, I just did a cartwheel.
Did you? Let's open your gifts. Right, I hate it when we have to open the gifts. They're so hard to open. Okay. Get this gift tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, let's how am I gonna go in? Okay.
And star coins and fame, no less.
Have fun, Mama Mason.
Okay. Hello, Pixie Star. You can show me around. Let's be friends. Okie dokie, Pixie Star.
No one wants to
No one must be friends with Pixie Star. Oh, poor Pixie Star. She was quite welcoming.
Yeah, but then people do weird videos about her.
Okay.
One time she got hacked, I think. Let's open all your gifts. Okay, look at that. You're in level 1. Congratulations, Matt.
Yay.
No. Okay. Well, do you want to change the colour to any of these? Or?
No.
Are you sure?
The dress is quite sweet.
Okay, clean. We got the gift. Okay, let's get more gifts now.
Wow, there's a lot of gifts.
I know. There's more.
Oh.
So if we go on... Oh, look what you got now. Would you like to change the colour?
Are they ears?
They're bunny ears.
Go on, kiss a pair of bunny ears.
You can take them off.
I don't mind.
Okay, there we go. So now, once you go on... I hate it when it doesn't load. Okay, so once you go on here, there'll be more gifts, I reckon.
There's a lot of gifts going on.
There are a lot of gifts. Actually, usually there is. Today there's not. But let's add my account, okay? So... Right, no, I just wrote weird. Capital B. If you want to add my account, then you can go add her.
I've seen you looking better.
What do you mean?
You're green and your eyes hanging out.
It's a zombie. Okay, so let me... Dylan, would you like to go on my account and gift Mama something?
Why don't we go for a walk around?
Oh,
I've had lots of gifts.
would you like to go?
Also, if you want to be cool like Ruby, then make sure you friend her on Movie Star Planet.
Yay!
There you go.
Okay, let's go to chat room.
Okay.
Which
I want
chat?
to go to the beach.
You want to go to the beach? We can
Yeah,
go to the
definitely.
beach. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. So what can we do at the beach?
You can walk around, say hi to people, Do you want to say hi?
Yeah, go on then.
Do you want to write it? There's lots of people.
Mm.
Let's add some. Oh, that's not me saying hi. Someone else. Okay. Like, some people are quite rude on this game, so you can ignore them and just...
In what way are they rude? What do they do?
Sometimes they swear, which is bad. So then you can, if you don't want them to do that, because that's bad. Yay! I'm gonna red. Hey Dylan, do you want to say hello? Okay, so let me say hi. Recording. Let's move over here. Would you like?
Oh my God, girls, slays. Slays?
What the heck does that mean? Okay, let's make you dance.
Okay.
You want to dance?
Let's. You're clicking on the wrong thing.
Okay, sorry. Dance, baby. Wait, this way. Oh, let me say my YouTube. Oh, that's wrong. Oh, what's going on? Oh my goodness, I can't even spell my own name. Ruby G. Okay, what do you want to do now?
I don't mind.
Let's add some nice people. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go to a different? Oh, she called us a noob.
Oh. Rude. What is the rude of that?
I'm
Channel. Not
not trying to be
you.
racist.
Good, then don't.
I'm not.
Okay, let's go to a different
Can I
channel.
stop dancing? Because I've just stood there dancing.
I
like a
know,
complete freak on the
You're the only one dancing there. You're just like.
So what is the vid about? Showing my mum how to use MSP.
Showing my mum how to use SP. Right, let's just stop dancing now.
Yeah,
That's
let's do that.
embarrassing. Okay, there we go. That's better.
Yay, that's slightly cooler.
Yeah. Let's add her. She looks nice. Well, she seems nice. You don't add people because they look
I think you kind of do.
nice. We're only on level 2. Usually a level much. Ooh, okay. So, Dylan, would you like to Ruby G plays MSP subscribe?
Oh,
Yay!
aren't you nice?
Okay, let's
That wasn't me. I wonder if I could have.
oh my god, what is that?
Level 3 choose rewards an afro, I believe. Probably give that a miss. Sparkly jacket, perhaps?
Yeah, that seems better. Good idea.
I don't
Claim.
think I would be able to rock a fro particularly well.
Yeah.
No.
That's a nice dress. Let's move on. Okay, Dylan, would you like to send her mummy a gift? Okay, right.
I can remember.
Did you just line up? Oh no, she didn't. Okay, let's say hi. Let's be friends, alright? Oh. Invite to be friends. Let's say hi. Bye. Oh, yay, mummy! We got a gift from Dylan.
Yay, what we got?
Actually, from me, same thing. But let's open it, yeah?
Okay.
Yay!
What's your favourite gift that you've ever got on MSP?
An ultra rare.
What's a funky princess tiara. Go on, stick that on. Why not?
Yay!
Oh, not sure what Daddy would say about
No!
that.
Do you want to decline it?
Pardon?
We just said hi and he didn't even ask. He didn't even